Let's be real. Most robot vacuums are kind of stupid. You spend $1,000 and they still get stuck on a sock. Or worse, they smear dog accidents all over your living room. It's a nightmare. But 2026 is different. Honestly, the tech has finally caught up to the hype. I've tested dozens of these things this year. I'm talking about robots that can literally climb stairs, scrub floors with boiling water, and navigate better than a self-driving car. I'm not going to waste your time with budget trash that breaks in a month. These are the heavy hitters, the ones that actually work. I've narrowed it down to the top 5 robot vacuums of 2026, and trust me, number 1 is a total beast. If you're tired of babysitting your vacuum, stick around. Before we get to the list, you need to know 3 things. If a robot fails any of these, do not buy it. So, keeping that in mind, let's jump into the list, starting with the budget king that honestly shocked me. Okay, let's kick this list off with the budget king, the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Okay, look at this. Just look. Absolute chaos. Kids running wild, confetti everywhere, the dog stealing shoes. Honestly, this is my nightmare. Enter the solution, the Tapo. When I first fired this thing up, I was skeptical, but look at it go. We're talking 5,300 pascals of suction here. That is serious power. And wait for it. Really, dude? The pizza? Classic. Whatever, this thing eats it up. Literally. Now check this out. It's actually smart enough to dodge the carpets. Nobody wants a soggy rug, right? It keeps them dry. Plus, it's digging deep into those floor seams, sucking up dust you didn't even know was hiding there. The obstacle avoidance? Legit. It's navigating through this jungle of toys without getting stuck or banging into stuff. It's using LiDAR and sensors to map the whole house in 3D. It knows exactly where it is. Dad's in VR land. Don't worry, buddy. You set a virtual wall and the bot stays away. Safe zone. The app control is super intuitive. You pick a room, set a zone. Look at that mesh grid pattern. It's methodical. It doesn't miss a spot. It climbs over thresholds like a little tank, up to almost an inch. But listen, it's quiet. 52 decibels? The kid is sleeping right through it. That is impressive. And of course, voice control. Alexa, turn on Tapo. Boom, done. But here is the absolute game changer, the dock. It empties itself. They claim up to 60 days hands-free. 2 whole months without touching dirt? Honestly, that's the dream. You schedule it, you leave, you come back to clean floors. The Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Powerful, smart. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Highly recommend. Number 4 is the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Another robot vacuum? Ugh, but wait, this dock looks like a total beast. Internal plumbing? Okay, fancy. They call this expert pickup. Let's see if it actually works or just pushes dust around. Whoa, the mop retracts! Dry rugs, people, finally! Double the scrubbing power? Perfect for those sticky kitchen mistakes. And the software? Dirt Detective? Great, now my robot is judging my filthy house. It scans the mess and picks settings automatically, smarter than my last roommate. Check out the navigation, weaving through chair legs without getting confused. Impressive. It sees the dog toy and avoids it. That feature just saved you a disaster, believe me. 60 days without touching the trash, and it refills itself? Sold. It even washes and dries the mop pad. Dude, this thing is cleaner than I am. The Roomba Combo 10 Max. It's pricey, but honestly, it's a total game changer. Okay, let's talk about the number 3 is Eufy S1 Pro. Another revolutionary cleaning robot? Yeah, sure. Let's see if this one actually works. Meet the S1 Pro. Gotta admit, that tower looks like a monolith from the future. They claim it has an always clean mop. Usually that's just marketing speak for smears dirt everywhere. But wait, check this out. It's literally washing the roller while it mops? Okay, that is a game changer. Hits the carpet, mop goes up, suction goes up, no wet rugs. Finally, someone figured it out. Look at it devour that mess. Total beast mode. And the base station? It's the real MVP while you slack off. It's swapping dirty water, refilling detergent, basically handling all the gross stuff so you don't have to. Plus, it's got eyes. It sees the furniture, dodges the obstacles, and doesn't harass the dog. Mapping is dead on. No random bumping. It knows exactly where it's going. It gets into the tight spots, hunting down dust with millimeter precision. Honestly, I'm impressed. The Eufy S1 Pro. It ain't cheap, but for once, it might be worth the hype. That brings us. Number 2 is the Dreame X60. Whoa, dramatic lights. Are we launching a sci-fi spaceship or just cleaning the floor? Meet the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. Yeah, try saying that 3 times fast. First off, this thing is thin. Look at it sliding under the sofa. Places your old chunky vacuum hasn't seen in years. 3 inches? That is wild. It's packing AI cameras everywhere. Shoes, toys, random junk. It identifies 280 types of obstacles, so it doesn't eat your cables. Smart. Binocular vision. It's literally staring you down in 3D. A bit creepy, but hey, it works. It hunts down invisible dirt and cranks up the power automatically. It knows your floor is dirty before you do. Hugging the wall. Look at that precision. No tangles, just a clean sweep. Smooth. Whoops, obstacle. Boom, rerouted instantly. Faster than my internet connection. Carpet detected? Up go the mops. It lifts the chassis so you don't get soggy rugs. Finally. And the power? 35,000 pascals. That is absurd suction. Plus, these dual brushes cut hair. Pet owners, look at that. No more tangles. Got a high threshold? Watch this. It literally pops a wheelie to climb over. Parkour mode engaged. Corners are usually a nightmare, but look at this little leg kick out. It swings into the gap. Get in there. Stuck on grease? It scrubs at high speed. It's not just wiping, it's practically polishing the floor. Back to the base. It separates the nasty water so you never have to touch that sludge. Thank God. Then it boils the mops clean. 212 degrees Fahrenheit? That is sterile. It scrubs its own washboard too. Hot air drying keeps it fluffy. Honestly, this robot has a better skincare routine than I do. Auto empty for up to 100 days. See you next season, Dust. Smart charging to protect the battery. The X60 Max. Okay, I admit it. I want one. This is it. The moment you've been waiting for. The Roborock Saros 20. Standard overdramatic tech intro. Gears. Lights. Okay, meet the Saros 20. They say, time to shine. Let's see if it's actually smart or just a really expensive bumper car. Okay, that mapping speed? Actually insane. It's building a 3D world while other bots are still confused. Whoa, hold up. Did it just lift itself? That is a total power move for thresholds. AdaptiLift Chassis. Fancy talk for I don't get stuck. Look at it weaving through that clutter. Smooth. Cables. Usually a death sentence. But this thing? Sees them. Dodges them. No wire spaghetti tonight. And then, limbo mode? It squats down to get the dust bunnies under the couch. You're evicted. Corner check. Boom, flex arm out. And for carpets, mop detaches automatically. No soggy rugs. Thank you. It's literally doing push-ups. Up, down, adapting to everything. Honestly, it's just showing off now. 36,000 PA suction? That's not a vacuum, that's a jet engine. And 0 tangles? I'm listening. Ugh, the sauce test. Usually a disaster. But look at that pressure. It is scrubbing that floor. Spotless. And look at it hugging that wall. Tighter than my skinny jeans. Satisfying. Oh, and it finds your cat. You can video call your fluff ball, because that's the future we live in. The Rock Dock. Self-emptying, self-refilling. 65 days without touching dirt? Now you're talking my language. Hot water wash, warm air dry. This robot has a better skincare routine than me. The Saros 20? Honestly, it's a beast. There you have it, the 2026 Floor Cleaning Kings. Whether you're grabbing the budget Tapo or the absolute beast Saros 20, your manual cleaning days are done. Check the links below for the best Amazon deals. Believe me, these are total game changers for your home. If this helped, hit subscribe for more Gadget Flow deep dives. See you in the next one. Peace.